Imagine starting a diet that not only helps you lose weight, but also boosts your energy levels and mental clarity. Welcome to the world of the ketogenic, or keto diet. This eating plan is all about minimizing your carbs and upping your fats to get your body to use fat as a form of energy. This metabolic state is called ketosis. Picture our friend Alex as they embark on their keto journey. As Alex swaps out their usual bread and pasta for more avocados and chicken, their body is going through a transition. It's switching from its default energy source, glucose, to a different fuel, fat. This process might not be a walk in the park for everyone. Alex may experience what's often called the keto flu as their body adapts. But once this transition period is over, the benefits can be quite impressive. Just like Alex, you too might find your body adjusting to this new fuel source, fat. As Alex continues on their keto journey, they start noticing some remarkable changes. The first and most apparent is weight loss. By shifting the body's metabolism from burning glucose to burning fat, Alex starts shedding pounds. The high-fat content of the keto diet satiates hunger, reducing the overall calorie intake. Soon, Alex feels a surge in energy levels. This is because ketones, the byproduct of fat metabolism, provide a consistent and steady source of energy for the body and brain. No more afternoon slumps or energy crashes. Instead, there's a newfound stamina that keeps Alex going all day long. Next, Alex experiences improved mental focus and clarity. The brain loves ketones, which serve as an efficient fuel source, enhancing concentration and cognitive function. Tasks seem easier, ideas clearer, and productivity skyrockets. The benefits don't stop there. Alex finds their blood sugar levels stabilizing, a boon for anyone at risk of type 2 diabetes. The keto diet, with its low-carb approach, helps keep blood sugar in check and improves insulin sensitivity. Alex also notices a reduction in inflammation. Research suggests that the keto diet may help alleviate inflammation, potentially offering relief from chronic conditions like arthritis. As for heart health, despite the high-fat diet, Alex sees improved cholesterol profiles, with triglycerides and LDL cholesterol levels going down, and the good HDL cholesterol going up. This translates into a lower risk of heart disease. The keto diet's high fat and protein content naturally suppresses Alex's appetite, making it easier to stick to the diet. It's not about starvation, but about smarter food choices. Blood pressure also improves, contributing to overall cardiovascular health and further reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. As for physical performance, once Alex's body adapts to using fat as the primary fuel source, endurance and performance enhance remarkably. Finally, the potential therapeutic applications of the keto diet are promising. While research is ongoing, early findings suggest potential benefits for conditions like epilepsy, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and certain types of cancer. Alex's journey reveals that the keto diet is more than just a weight loss tool. It's a lifestyle change that can potentially improve various aspects of health. While the keto diet has worked wonders for Alex, it's important to remember that it may not be suitable for everyone. The world of nutrition is not one size fits all. Each of us has unique dietary needs and health conditions that may require different approaches to our meals. This is particularly crucial for those with pre-existing health conditions. Starting a diet as significant as the keto diet should never be a spur-of-the-moment decision. It calls for a thorough consultation with a healthcare professional who can guide you based on your specific health profile. Remember, what works wonders for one person might not yield the same results for another. Personalized nutrition is key. It's about listening to your body, understanding what it needs, and nourishing it accordingly. So as you explore the keto diet or any other dietary options, bear in mind that your health is your wealth. Whether you're an Alex starting your keto journey, or you're simply exploring different dietary options, remember, your health is your wealth. Always make informed decisions about your diet. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to click the like button and press the subscribe button. Also be sure to check out the vitamin supplements below that can help you along your journey. Until next time, have a good one.